Hi, I'm Michael Despezio, and I am at the Cornelius Math Science Magnet School, part of Houston ISD. And today I'm going to be presenting on STEM to students in classes grade 2, 3, 4, and 5. So be sure to watch all the fun and learning that's about to take place. I should say good morning, o buenos días. Sí, yo hablo español de Nueva York. What I said was I speak a little Spanish because I learned Spanish in my school in New York City. What's that? Yes, it is muy bueno. And that's one of the wonderful things about school, is that you can learn other languages and you can learn other cultures, because I really believe, and you're going to hear it from me growing up in a very multicultural, multiracial, everybody was there in New York City, that is really where the wonderment of society, what makes us a great species. And when everybody gets that in their head, I think what will happen is that we'll have unbelievable improvements in the human condition.
How did you create that plan?
Yeah. How did I get that here?
How did you create that plan?
You know what they say? Any landing you can walk away from, that's a good one.
Lucky it was a model. But that's the great thing about working with models, because you can experiment with something.
Does this guy look familiar?
Yeah.
Have you seen him before?
Younger! Hey, right in front of us.
Yeah.
This
Same guy from
is a
TV?
model of a glider that the Wright brothers flew when they were learning about the science of flight. Now, this is a scale model, which means that it's built to the same proportions as the actual craft, only smaller. And not only does it look good, it flies as well. Hi, I'm Michael Despezio, and welcome to Video-Based Projects.
And in our activity, we're going to be exploring the difference between weight and lift and how that affects flight. Height, and then the width. Write them down on the paper so I can see. Excellent. Boy. So we folded it once, twice, and guess what? We're going to keep folding it. We're going to roll fold it the same way we're folding it on top of itself, so that about half of that paper gets folded up, so it'll be perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Take a look right there. Perfect. All right. Let's see what we've got. I've got a question for you. Looks like everybody's got the measurement. How many people here measured the height of the paper to be 29 centimeters? Raise your hand. No. All right. How many got 27 centimeters? No. What'd you guys get?
28!
Perfect. All right. What about the width? How many centimeters did you get for the width? Let me hear from you first.
21.7 centimeters.
21.7. Oh, man. Over there. What did you get? 22. Approximate. Perfect. What did you get?
21.7.
Perfect. All of you guys. And you got?
21.5.
Awesome. Awesome. These are all close enough values. I love it. Now that you know how to do the measurements, next is I want you to actually begin to start building an airplane. So here's what you need to do. I want everyone to hold the sheet of paper like this. Not like that, but like this. Cool. Next step. You're going to fold that leading edge, this edge, by about 1 centimeter. Right down there. Fold it, increase it. Everybody do that. Try and make it straight. And you could use the ruler if you'd like to just mark up your paper. Open it up so it's almost flat. Open it. And look at the way that I'm holding it. Great, perfect. Want everybody, take your 2 fingers like that, right? 2 fingers like that. And you're going to hold the back end, not the folded end, the other end between those 2 fingers. Take a look when I'm holding it. Because to launch this paper airplane, you don't throw it. All you do is release your hold on it, and it glides up like that. Make sure that it's kind of flat out like this. Look at where I'm holding it. And then later, we're going to go out in a second. If I let go of that, we've got a pretty cool glider. Countdown, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Crash real quickly. If it crashed real quickly, what do you need more? You need more what?
Lift.
How do you get more lift?
Bigger wing.
You make the wing bigger by unfolding the wing once. Understand? Because if you unfold the crease, what happens to the wing? It gets bigger. Oh, excellent. Somebody's got a real good one there. So, try a couple of design changes and re-release.
See, we found out gravity is what pulls the airplane down, and lift is what pulls the airplane up. And to gain more lift, you need to make the airplane's wings bigger by unfolding them. To gain less lift, you need to fold the airplane's wings to make the wings smaller.
Well, he taught us today that more weight, the more it goes up. Less weight, the more it goes down. But equal, it goes straight.
Yeah, so we're just kind of flew and soared, because remember, the same thing applies to eagles flying. What is the downward force called?
Gravity.
Gravity pulls it down, but then it gives every object its what? Its weight. What is the name of the upward force? What's that called? All right, question. I want you to point. What happens if the lift and the weight are the same? Which way does it go? Show me with your hand. If the lift and weight are equal, perfect. If the weight is greater than the lift, what happens? If the lift is greater than the weight, what happens? If the lift is greater, very, very nice. Excellent. Aim them out towards me. I'm your target right now. We're going to be doing a countdown and then we're releasing. All set? So, you take the countdown. Let me hear it. 5,
4, 3,
let go.
2, 1.
Release. Nice job. What do you say?
Oh, Mr. D, he's a great guy. He taught us how to use force and weight and throw it and apply it into the air to see if the plane is gently floated.
You know, when I'm working in education, which is my passion, I get a chance to talk to kids, and to kids that often may not have money, may not have resources, may not have parents like mine who never went to college, who are clueless about college, and really talk about an uneven playing field, a playing field which is not fair. But looking at what education can do to help elevate these kids to a concept that, look, I can do whatever I want, but education is going to get you there. You know, the playing field won't change. It won't change remarkably. It'll change in increments, but in looking at that, the way that you get around that and the way that you get to impact it is through education.